So we're here at the 2019 Sales and Marketing Conference of Future Electronics. I'm here with Dave Hoskins, FAE with Cypress Semiconductor. Dave, perhaps you could tell us a little bit about the technology that you brought to showcase to us today.
Yes, thank you very much. So I've got a really nice demo here, a working commercial demo of Bluetooth Low Energy Mesh networking, and it's one of the first ones that's out there right now with a working development kit. So this particular example here is just demoing a lighting network, but you can also do things like a distributed temperature sensing system or dimmable lights and that kind of thing. In addition to that, we have a nice demo here of inductive sensing, which your guys can sell right now, which gives you the opportunity to have a really nice metal overlay. And on top of that, we've also got a really good potential high runner, which is this guy here. And this guy is the USB Type-C barrel replacement solution. So you can replace a kind of relatively poor quality barrel connector with a universally useful USB Type-C connector delivering around 60 watts or thereabouts. So a really nice piece of technology that your guys can have to sell.
Thank you, Dave.